Hi, this is your boy, Colton Havens, coming to you live from Manitou Springs, Colorado, a small little town, here with Rosalie. We'll have to go explore, do some spelunking, you know. Alright, but balance, what do I mean by that? And, well, there's a couple things: wealth, health, happiness, okay? This finding balance in all those. When I first started out on my sales job, my sales career, I decided to go all in. I jumped, all right, 100% committed. I jumped out of the plane with the parachute on, all right. I didn't stand there. I wasn't 99% committed, but what happened was, as I dove into it so deep that it's all that I did, right? Being obsessed is important, but also having the balance needs to be in there too, because I got so drained that I had to actually stop for about 6 months, and when I came back even stronger. So make sure you're scheduling little things like this. Get outside, make sure you're scheduling your workouts in, make sure you're getting your brain food every day, and you're doing that on a regular basis, because the balance is going to be key to your happiness. And if you're not happy, no one wants to be around you. Alright, tap that share button, because you know it's worth it, and I'm going to see you tomorrow. Because just like you got to bathe, and just like you got to eat, you got to get your brain food every day. I love y'all. Peace.